The demand for a particular object increases when the supply is scarce. This same applies to monetary issues as well. At times, the expenses on hand are much more than the cash in pocket. This is when the same-day loans come in handy. These loans are the quickest way to get your hands on some cash when in need, especially in business. The processing for these loans is much faster and simpler than your secured bank loans. This only takes a day to be processed and the cash is yours to spend. The loans taken from banks and other financial institutions require a lot of paperwork and documents. They also need collateral against the loan. Giving collateral is possible only if you have some kind of property that you own or a car or anything else that is of value. The collateral needs to be more than the amount of the loan. Unemployed people or tenants face a lot of problems when applying for a loan through these institutions. Unlike the same-day loans procedure, these companies also check the credit history and conduct background checks. Therefore, the processing takes days or even weeks to finish. On the other hand, there are several big and small companies that lend money in the form of same-day loans. They are available physically in the market or online as well. When applying for these loans, there is no need for any kind of credit or background check. No collateral is required to process these loans. All that is required is proof of age, a valid checking or savings account, and verifiable employment details. Besides this, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. These documents can be submitted online and it only takes up to a day for processing and approval. The money is directly deposited into your account. The only thing one needs to keep in mind is to take as a minimum a loan as possible. The interest for same-day loans is quite high when compared to secured loans from banks and other financial institutes. The period given to return the loan is very short as opposed to the long-term loans given by banks. The best way to make use of these loans is to calculate the expenses you need to cover and then take a loan for just that much amount. Defaulting on the payments also incurs very high fees. So the earlier the loan is paid off, the better it is for future borrowing and credit history. Once you have taken the same-day loan from a lender and paid it off in time, then it is even easier to get a loan the second time. You can even renegotiate the terms of the loans this time around. Good credit history might get you a better rate of interest. It may even get you an extended period for the repayment of the loan. Therefore, these loans come in handy for short-term financial problems, whereas the secured loans are good for long-term financial needs. Do you need a business loan or a line of credit? Don't wait. Visit us now at precisionbusinessloans.com for the very best in options and no application fees. We're typically able to get our customers approved within just 1 day and funded within 5 days. Our approval rating is above 95%. Visit precisionbusinessloans.com today.